the Chevy sitting tall, gripping on the wood, gripping on the wood, gripping on the wood. Got the Chevy sitting tall, gripping on the wood.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Bill's back with another video. Today, we are working on the Pontiac Firebird. Yes, it is snowing out here. But guess what? I got a leaf in my hair. Excuse me, I've been on the ground putting my drive shaft in, which I'll show you that in a few minutes. What I'm finna show you now is some of the stuff I done got, because I'm finna get ready to put new head gaskets on, intake gaskets, all that good stuff. And then once I get it up and going and move it around, because I got another car that for a customer I got to pull in here, so I want to pull it out under its own power, basically. Then I'll be taking the motor back out. Excuse me. I'll be taking the motor back out and replacing all the gaskets on the bottom, new oil pan gasket, rear main seal gasket, which I'll be putting a new double roller timing chain in here. So I'll be redoing that gasket. Also putting a hell of a camshaft in here. So let me get the stuff and I'll turn y'all back on and I'll show y'all what we working with. All right. So we got the new head gaskets. If you're doing a 350 4-bolt main, these are the head gaskets that you want to get. 2 of them. These are my intake gaskets. It's the part number if you want to get those. This is my intake gasket. I already took it out to make sure it was gonna fit on my carburetor. Then I got some of these for the carburetor intake. I mean the carburetor, but there's no need to worry about. And these are the torque specs for a 350 small block 4-bolt main. 3 passes, 125 foot-pounds of torque. Second pass, 45 foot-pounds of torque. Next one is 65 foot-pounds of torque. You definitely have to do that to make sure everything is where it's supposed to be. Find my torque wrench while I'm thinking about it. I think it's over here. Yeah, it is. Am I gonna be able to get it out? Yeah, here we go. People out here loving the snow. We don't get much snow in Tennessee. All right. My digital one quit working on me, so had to go to my old trusty. Oh, don't you fall. Once that might have been what happened to my digital one. But man, you know what's going on, man. We always working. Rain, shine, sleet, or snow. But let me get this hood taken off and I'll get right back with y'all. You know what's going on. BM Customs, baby. So got the head, one the passenger side head off. Finna clean it up. Took the old gasket, took the old intake gasket off of it. Finna clean up all this stuff on here. Then I'm going to be cleaning up all of this. Make sure it ain't no trash in there. Take the air and blow it out. All that good stuff. You can see a little trash and stuff like that in there. Matter of fact, I'm probably gonna take the vacuum and suck it out, so it just won't be blowing and going elsewhere. Yeah, like a little surface rust. Take a little piece of sandpaper, knock that little surface rust out. It ain't no big deal, but I don't know if you can see it. I got my flashlight somewhere. Let me see if I can find it so you can get a better look at it. Sorry about that. Somebody just called, but like I was saying, you see you got a little surface rust in there. Take that, clean that out real good. Rotate it, clean that. But yeah, clean all that out. Yeah, man. Sorry about not filming as much as I want to. My tripod broke on me yesterday to hold my phone. But, you know, it is what it is. So, I'll cut y'all back off. Cut y'all back on in a minute after I get this head cleaned up and bolted back on. You know what's going on. BM Customs, baby. So, got the passenger side of the block all cleaned up. Got the head gasket put on. As you can see. And man, just working. That's all it take, man. It don't take much, man. Just get out there and do it. You know, I'll be glad when I get my front closed in. But I actually just got the hinges for my doors yesterday. So I can go forth with that. Then I got the rest of the plywood and the 2x4s. And got my building wrap. I had planned on doing it Saturday, but then all this white substance came. So that pushed me back a little bit. But hey, man, they ain't going to stop me. I'm going to get out there and do it to it. You understand? So, man, you know what's going on. BM Customs, baby. Rain, shine, sleet, or snow. We must go. You dig what I'm saying? But let me get this head put back on. Get this side back bolted down. And then we're gonna get them things torqued. I'm gonna show y'all how that goes and all that. Like I said, I can't film much and torque them down and all that because I don't have my tripod. But it is what it is. So, with that being said, man, let's get back to it. I want to show y'all something. Some people know, some people don't know. Got two different screws. It goes, this one that's come out this corner right here. You see how long that one is? And then you got the rest of them. The corner bolts always gonna be shorter than the regular bolts. You definitely got to remember that. So, I'm just finna run them in right now. Not tighten them. Just run them in. Just run them in. Just run them in. But you gotta go back and torque them anyway, so. You ain't gotta be trying to get them super tight and all that. Like I said, just run them in. Shit. Hold on, let me sit y'all down for a second. There you go. Hold on 1 second. Let me cut y'all off. I'll cut y'all back on in a few minutes. So, got both of the heads on. What I'm about to do now is torque them down. Make sure you use some Loctite. I like the blue, but I got the red right now. So make sure you use some Loctite on these head bolts. And just get it done, man. You know what's going on. BM Customs. Go like, comment, subscribe, share. Man, leave some comments, man. Let me know what you want to see, upcoming footage, and all of that. Because it's getting a little chilly out here, and dinner's almost done. So I'm finna try to go ahead and get these heads all torqued down. Get this intake on here, get this torqued down. Man, I'm gonna cut y'all back on, man, once I get finished with that, man. You know what's going on. So, got everything torqued down and put back on. So, with that being said, I'm gonna holler back at y'all. Go like, comment, subscribe, share. BM Customs.
Got the Chevy sitting tall, gripping on the wood, gripping on the wood, gripping on the wood. Got the Chevy sitting tall, gripping.